Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In the previous video, we looked at the introduction to the tutorial series and as to what we're going to be covering in this series. So in that video, we talked about what Palm 2 is and what Google has been doing towards machine learning and responsible AI and what this series contains for you. In this video, we'll be setting up Palm 2 for you. I'll be walking you through the process of applying for the waitlist, and once you get access, how to get started with it. So let's just revise as to what Palm 2 is. So Palm 2 is basically a large language model LLM released by Google in May 2023 at the Google I/O. It is capable of advanced reasoning, coding, and mathematics. So if you just look at this link that I'll be sharing in the description, this will just give you an introduction as to what Palm 2 is. You can watch a 3-minute video that shows you what Palm 2 is and what capabilities it has, followed by some random screenshots of what Palm 2 can do. These are some screenshots of Bard that is there, and you can just scroll down and you can see what you can just get to know Palm 2 a little bit more better. So just to give you an introduction, we'll go to bard.google.com, and it's just similar to ChatGPT. So you just say that, you go down and you just click on I agree, and here you have Bard here, so I can just tell it to give me let's take an example. um, write let's just say write an email to my boss telling him I won't be able to make it to work this weekend as I am feeling unwell. Now, in a few seconds, Bard will give you a email. I'm guessing according to the prompt that we have passed, it should be able to give you a email. So you can see, sure, here is an email that you can send to your boss. It gives you a subject, it gives you a dear boss name where you can put in your boss's name, and it gives you an email, and it gives you some extra tips. But there's something interesting. You can even look at other drafts that are there, other different versions of different emails. You can look at this one, you can look at this one. So this is what basically Bard does, and this just takes it to the next level with Palm 2. So we're going to be going to make a suite. So this is where you can apply to get the Palm API and make suite. So we'll be filling up the waitlist form. I'll select India as my country here, and profession, I'm currently a student. And what do you want to use Palm API and the Maker Suite for? I can just tell it I'm doing it for academic research or just creating something new, understanding general large language model capabilities, and I'll just click on join with my Google account. And here you can see you have successfully been added to the waitlist. And once you have access to the Palm API, you will get an email. Since I've already got the access to Palm API, let's just go ahead and take a look at as to what Maker Suite provides you with. So once you get the access for Palm 2, that is MakerSuite and the Palm API, this is what you will see, something like this, where you'll be taken to makersuite.google.com. I'll be leaving this link also in the description. Once you have access to it, you can access this website freely. And you can see prototype with generative AI. So let's just look at what Palm 2 actually provides you with, or as to what MakerSuite provides you with. So you can start out by looking at text prompts, data prompts, and chat prompts. You can even start developing with the API key, which we'll be taking a look at in the next few videos. So here you have it. You have already set up everything and you're ready and good to go. So you can use a text prompt to create, just interact with it by giving it some texts. You can generate data and get rows and columns using the data prompt, and you can have back and forth conversations like a chatbot using the chat prompt there. So we'll be looking at these features in the next video. Until then, we'll be going to the My Library one, where right now I don't have any prompts that I've created since I just got access to this one. Then you can go to the quick links that will just show you a getting started guide, a amazing prompt gallery that is there, then a proper detailed API documentation as to how you can get started with the API, privacy policy, and terms of service. So if I go to the getting started guide here, it just tells you what all you can do with this, which we'll be taking a look at in the next video. So in the next video, we'll be just exploring the features that Maker Suite provides, such as the prompt gallery, the text prompt, data prompt, and chat prompt.